And hello there, 30 minutes friends and folks. This is Mixerwars and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what I have here is the sprint costume color B for the 30 Minute Sisters option part set 21. And as you can see in the box art, some sort of a sprinter type of costume it is. And yes, off to the side, here it is, the sprinter costume part set 21. And it's telling you to put to Laronel and Rochelle, I guess. Yep. Here it is in action, and you can put the bunny ears or none off to the side. Yeah, here it is, and again, that part of the blank face piece again. Opening up and seeing what's inside the box. Here it is, the face plates or the face parts, or in most of these are blank, and you need a water slide vehicle. We have some hair parts here, clear blue sprue and all white sprue. Last bag is more of the other sprues like the B part, A part, and of course the other face parts. And yes, we cannot forget the instruction manual and that particular portion of telling you how to apply the water slide vehicles to those blank face parts. So let's take a look individually at each of the sprues. So we begin with the A sprue, which has some flash colors, some of that violet and some of that white. The B sprue is all white. We have a clear blue for the C sprue. The D sprue is all white. And lastly, we have some light blue for the E sprue or E runners. And of course, here it is, the face parts again, the black ones. Which I guess are already standard for the option part set. Luckily for the actual units or actual, and they have some prints, and of course we have a black hair part here. And there you have it, 30 minutes fantasy folks. That was what's inside the box of the part set 21, which is the sprint costume for the 30 Minute Sisters. And this is Mixerwars saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing the video, sharing the videos, commenting, and until next time, see you and thank you.